Attach poles together, making sure panel clips are facing inward. Insert corner pieces into place. Attach next poles together and insert into corner piece. Repeat on opposite side. Assemble last poles and insert pole connectors on both ends. Confirm height and length are equal. Screw connectors in place. Attach wheels to both frame stands and screw in place. Insert black sleeve. Insert metal frame into stands and screw to secure in place. Align holes on bottom pole and screw poles together. Fluff leaves and attach to panel clips around entire border. Thanks for watching.